Kiddyzuzaa. Ooh! Olivia, I just had an amazing idea about this lunch thing I think we should try.
Oh, it will be so much fun. Come on now. And don't forget Mr. Snuggles. Bye! What just happened? Oh, hey Olivia, take a seat. Esme, how are we going to see what we're making? Here's the fun part. We can't see what we're making, so it will be a surprise for us. Why does everything have to include a blindfold? Remember how blindfolded pizza making ended out? Don't worry, Olivia. Mr. Snuggles is here to help us. So the princesses think they can have a nice little lunchtime game, eh? Let's see how much they like my slime witches! Mr. Snuggles, I want to swap. Slime? We don't have any slime here. No, my lunch is ruined. This is Malice's name written all over it. What? Where? I can't see it. Oh, no, Esme. This is something she'd definitely do. How do you like your lunches now, princesses? Are they a little bit slimy? Oh. Lilliana! Ah!
What do you require, Esme?
Oh, I want Lilliana.
What do you require, Esme? Old buddy, old pal?
I want real Lilliana to help me get my gummy bear down.
Commencing gummy bear extraction.
Wow, thanks Lilliana Bot.
You are welcome, friend.
Just what I needed. Now, where is Lilliana?
I am here. I am here also.
Lilliana? 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 Lilliana, help!
Do you require any assistance, Esme?
No, everything's fine.
Goodbye then.
Where did all these Lilliana bots come from? And why are they acting so weird? Aha! Lilliana's screwdriver. If I can get that, I can use it to take me to the real Lilliana. Oh, I'm so hungry. Would you shush? You're going to wake up the Lilliana bots. Almost there. Phew. I did it! Come on, come on. I know there's a teleport button somewhere.
Intruder alert.
Oh no! That's the teleport button.
Intruder.
Teleport button.
Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Intruder alert.
Tennis court button. Aha! Teleport button. Sayonara, Robo Lillianas.
What is sayonara? It means goodbye. Oh. Okay. Goodbye, friend.
Oh, Lilliana! Esme, at last. Lilliana, what's happened? There are so many Lilliana bots everywhere. They're taking over.
Funny story. I was working on my new Lilliana bot upgrades last night, and suddenly I kind of, sort of...
You fell asleep.
Intruder alert, intruder alert, intruder alert, intruder alert. Don't worry, I've got this. Activating voice command. Lilliana bots, stop! Intruder alert. If only I had my screwdriver. Where'd you get that from?
Never mind that. Do something!
Activating voice command. Lilliana bots, stop! Intruder alert.
Lilliana bots, dance! All right, stop. Now, bring me my gummy bears. 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500.
Oh, does this game ever end?
It ends when one of us wins all the money.
2 seconds, Lilliana. Lilliana's calling. Hey, Lilliana. Just playing Monopoly with Lilliana. Who's winning? I have no idea. Lilliana, I got to go. Lilliana wants to tell me something. I'll call you when I'm done. Sorry, Lilliana. That was Lilliana.
Wait. I hate to break it to you, but I've won! If only the Chancellor of Zuzaa listened to my advice, maybe... Olivia? Olivia! I've won, so I get to wear the winner's hat.
Sure.
Anyway, better be off.
I need to get to the bottom of this. Lilliana, I was just looking for you. Hang on, where's the hat? What hat? The Monopoly hat?
I have no idea what you're talking about. Anyway, I have to dash. I'm off to play Esme at ping pong. Bye! Something really strange is going on here. Oh, hey Olivia. Whoa, you okay? Sorry, got to go. I'm meeting Isabella for some shopping. Bye! What on earth is going on here? Lilliana bots, you're all doing a great job. Keep up the good work. Lilliana bots? Olivia, I wasn't expecting to see you here.
And I didn't expect to see
3 of you here. Oh yes, my Lilliana bots. They help me to get more done. I can see all of you at once and still be here to work on my inventions.
Lilliana, you can't get robots to do everything for you. I want to be friends with real Lilliana, not some robots.
Lilliana bots, abort mission. We've been rumbled. Return to base. You're right. Oh, hey, Olivia. Oh, hey, Olivia. Oh, hey, Olivia.
Ah, there you are.
Anyway, want to see what these Lillianas can do?
I've lost my diary!
What's that? Where am I? Is that? My scrunchies! I've been looking for these.
Whoa! Whoever lives here sure likes Fruit Loops!
And pizza! And grapes!
All my favourites! Wait! Aren't you going to clean those up? Clean! So this is inside the sofa.
It is. Recognize me?
No.
Are you sure about that?
I'm pretty sure I'd remember meeting a talking sock.
Ha! Let me take you back to a time long, long ago.
Esme, I'm back.
A long time ago? That was last weekend.
A moment is like a lifetime down here.
Hang on. How did you learn to talk?
Can't you tell? This place is magical.
If only I could magically find my diary.
You mean this diary? Not so fast, Esme. You can have your diary back. But I want something in return first.
Okay, anything. What do you want?
A companion. It gets pretty lonely down here. Socks were made to be in pairs, you see, and I am alone.
Aw, that would be so cute. If only you weren't a horrible old stinky sock.
I'm glad that you recognize my stinkiness. And for that reason, young Esme, you must find me a sock friend so stinky, so unbelievably smelly, honging so...
Okay, I get the point. You want a smelly sock. And I think I know just the foot to get it from.
you're back. Did you find what I requested?
I did.
Bring it to me.
And now?
Yes, your diary. It was a pleasure doing business with you.
Likewise, thanks. Wait, do you have a name?
No, I'm a sock.
Right.
Oh, my lucky coin! Esme, I came as quick as I could. Esme?
Up here.
Esme, what are you doing up there?
Oh, just having a nap.
Really?
No, not really. Well, actually, I was having a nap, but not up here, on the sofa. Next thing I know, I wake up and I'm stuck to the ceiling.
Very curious. Oh, it's Isabella. Isabella, what's up? You're stuck to what? I'll be there as soon as I can.
Oh, I'll just wait here then.
Right, Isabella, let's have a... Whoa.
My hair is ruined.
Oh, poor Isabella. Here. How did this happen?
I don't know. I came in to brush my hair, and before I knew it, my hand was stuck to my head. It was like it had been glued there. Bye then.
Oh. There's got to be something that ties this all together.
The next thing I know, I wake up and I'm stuck to the ceiling. Before I knew it, my hand was stuck to my head. It was like it had been glued there. It was like it had been glued there. It was like it had been glued there. Glued there. Glued there. Glued there. There. There.
Maybe it was something they ate.
It was like someone put glue on us. Glue. Glue. Look for someone with a big tube of glue.
Maybe I should look for someone with a big tube of glue. But who would have a big tube of glue?
Oh, hi, Olivia.
Hi, Malice. Of course.
These should get me out of quite a few sticky situations.
I knew it. Malice, the game is up.
Olivia, what are you doing in here?
Don't play dumb with me, Malice. I know you got a giant Pritt stick under that cloth.
Pritt stick?
Oh, come on. Sticky situations? You've been causing mischief with a giant glue stick.
This is just a tube of sticks for my stick collection.
Stick collection.
What? All the cool witches have them.
Sure they do, Malice. This doesn't make any sense.
Don't listen to her.
If Malice didn't do it, then... Oh, hey, Lilliana. Lilliana.
Olivia, it's not what it looks like, I swear. I was just testing out a new invention.
Lilliana.
Olivia, please calm down. Let's talk about this. Olivia.
Probably deserve that.